Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install SQLite Studio on Windows 11. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type SQLite Studio, download and press enter. So you will get the first official link, that is SQLite Studio. Click on it. So this is the official page from where you can download SQLite Studio. Click on download. This will download the setup file for Windows. So SQLite Studio is basically a software which helps you to create SQLite databases. You can edit existing database and you can browse SQLite database. So file setup has got downloaded. I'll click on open. You will get a pop-up, select yes. Let me minimize the web browser. So click on next. I accept the agreement. Next. Keep it selected as a yes. Click on next. This is the installation directory where the software will get installed. If you want, you can change it. I'll go with the default one. Click on next. Then click on next. And now setup is getting installed. Within few seconds, it will get installed. I'll click on finish. This will launch the SQLite Studio. You can select the language. I'll go with the default one. Click on OK. So this is how the interface of the SQLite Studio looks. I'll come up with a separate video in which we can see how to create a database, how to use all these options. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.